Is your Toyota Tacoma's key fob acting up? Dim LED, short range, or total failure points to a likely dead battery. Plus, many owners report the fob case cracking during battery changes due to brittle plastic, especially in hot climates. Before you start, grab a new CR2032 battery. They cost about $2 to $5. A small flathead screwdriver or coin, and optionally a plastic pry tool to prevent scratches. These are available at most stores. Having these items prepared will allow you to quickly resolve the issue. First, locate the seam on the back of the key fob. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam and twist to separate the two halves. Avoid using excessive force to prevent further cracking. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is up positive. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Reassemble the fob, ensuring the rubber gasket seals properly to keep out moisture. If the remote still isn't working, try reprogramming it by cycling the ignition key on and off a few times while pressing the fob buttons, or seek professional help.